Hello everyone. I am working on this BMW MBT system to activate its hidden functions. So let's take a look. First of all, it has a rearview mirror folding function. But I find that every time I lock the car, its rearview mirror won't fold. And it doesn't have any lock sound to prompt. Activating the hidden function is also very simple. All you need is a laptop and a BMW mat line. We can proceed with the operation. Let's go. Insert our BD. Plug the other end into the laptop. If the laptop does not have this port, you need to buy another one. USB adapter cable interface. This is his software. This is his tutorial. So let's start with his tutorial. Lock the rearview mirror and fold it. And it comes with step 1 and it comes with step 2. Just change it to 01. It's fairly simple. And that's the sound of locking the car. And it also has a lot of fun features. It can be activated. Let's activate these two first. Take a screenshot of it. This is convenient for us to operate. Take a screenshot of it. Then open its software. Find this one by looking for step 1. Double-click the above to open it. Then go to step 2 to find this. Copy first. Then paste. Do a search. Change it to 01 according to its steps. Then we change it to change it to 01. And then finally, we need to hit enter to confirm. And it will also change according to. Then we can write the confirmation. Just wait for it to run to 100%. And then, we have programmed the folding mirror of the lock car. Lock the car folding mirror. We have programmed it. Now let's go ahead and operate the lock sound. Follow step 1 to find the MBT. MBT at 63, double-click to open. Same thing, by just looking for this one. Make a second copy of it. Copy it. Then just open this. We need to delete the previous paste first. The Enter key is on. Because this is a demo, so it's already open. Then also write directly. Then, it's OK. Just wait. And wait for it to be 100%. And we're done. At the same time, the car will also be accompanied by a restart. Wait for it to restart and it's all OK. OK, let's test it directly. Now let's lock the car. It locks the car now and the rearview mirror folds automatically. And with the lock car trip, then we unlock. Yes, it rings twice to unlock it. and it is automatically opened with a folding mirror. It's starting to come in handy now. Locking and unlocking the car can be clearly seen. This function is very easy to use. Nice. It's already dark. I will share other functions with you next time.